In today's 1-minute tip, I'll be exposing one of the most annoying things every developer faces, which is unused imports. So in my example here, I've got just a couple of unused imports in a single file, which is easy enough to clean up, but imagine having dozens or even hundreds of files, each cluttered with unused imports. It's not even aesthetically appealing and will make your code a mess. So the easiest solution here to install a VsCode extension called remove unused imports, and the usage is very good because here you have two options. Whether you do it manually by typing here Control Shift and P and you just type remove unused imports and that's all, or the better way to do it automatically is you go to the settings.json, you can find it here, and then you write this piece of code and you save, and when you save your file here, it will automatically remove all the unused imports and will keep your code clean.